Hi there, Dominika here, your singing coach from Singing Carrots. I'm here today to help you figure out what plan best fits your needs. Let's break it down, shall we? So, first up is our Effective Learner Basic plan. This is for those of you who just want to test the waters. It's perfect for giving Singing Carrots a try. You'll get a limited access to some of our features, such as pitch training game, but believe me, it's enough to try it out and figure out if it's for you, if you like it. You'll still get access to our vocal range and pitch accuracy tests, which are really fun. You can use our vocal pitch monitor, and you'll be receiving singing theory for beginners. There are limited ads, but nothing too crazy. All right, next up we have Effective Learner. Well, this is for those of you who want to take it a step further. You'll get full access to our pitch training games, so you can gain points and play against other subscribers on our website, climb up the leadership board. You'll still get vocal range and pitch accuracy tests, our vocal pitch monitor, our lessons, and no ads. The next one, if you're thinking, well, I want more, then Vocal Ranges Database plus Effective Learner is a tool for you. You'll get all the features from Effective Learner, no ads, and extra access to our Vocal Ranges database. That's over 75,000 songs. You'll be able to find out what other artists' ranges are and see whether certain songs fit your range or what is the best transposition to match your voice. Okay, now this one is for the big league. It's our pro membership. It's for those of you who just want all of the tools that we have right now. You're going to get all our vocal ranges database plus Effective Learner features and extra one, which is pitch training MIDI import to practice songs or your own melodies. So that's for those of you who just want all of the tools we have. Okay, this one is for those of you who want all of it and forever. Purchase it once, lifetime pro membership, no more subscriptions, no more renewals, just you and our Singing Carrots forever. Okay, now you can say, all right, I do not want all of those fancy tools you got there. I'm just interested in discovering songs that fit my range and playing around with singing them. Vocal Ranges database plan is then perfect for you. You'll be able to access vocal range and pitch accuracy test. They will help you determine what your vocal range is. You'll be able to search through a songs and artists database and see which songs fit your range, which ones are challenging, which ones are easy. You'll be able to organize them in your repertoire book. And again, no ads. Okay, this one is for all of those teachers and educators out there. If you love what you see, you love our Singing Carrots website and the tools, and you want to share them with your students, go ahead and contact us. We'll create a special deal for you that's designed for your needs. Yeah, just contact us. All right, are you still not sure? I know we have a lot to offer. If you're not sure, that's okay. You can simply start small and then upgrade as you go. Remember, all our memberships can be purchased weekly, monthly, or yearly. Keep an eye on special deals. We either show them on the website or we'll send you an email, and you might score some great price on a yearly subscription or even a lifetime deal. I hope this helped. I hope to see you on our website. Keep singing.